Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your photo in Capcut on phone. So here I've already imported like 4 photos and I want to edit it on Capcut. So the first thing, the easiest way that you can do with your photos is you can just use the 3D Zoom Pro and also the strobe effect in Capcut. So here I'm going to just show you how. So first, just click on your first photo and go to style and then choose the 3D zoom. You can choose 3D zoom or 3D Zoom Pro, that's up to you. So I'm going to just choose both of them. So for the first photo, I'm going to choose just the 3D zoom. Okay, and then click on the check icon, and here go back and go to effects, video effects, and find party, this one, and then find the strobe effect, this one's right here. Click on the check icon and then click on this. So adjust the effect so that it aligned with the photo, and then here I'm going to click on the second photo, go to style, and for this I'm going to choose the 3D Zoom Pro. Okay, click on the check icon and then go to effect again, and choose the strobe. So I'm going to adjust it for all of the photos and I'm gonna show you the result. Okay guys, so I've already done all of the settings or editing for all of the photos. So here is the final result. So you can just add some music to make it more dramatic, but here is basically the result. Okay guys, so that is how you can edit your photo in Capcut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.